work the Old City Park today. I think I'm gonna work the soccer field if nobody's on it. I have yet to detect it. If somebody's there, I'll work the pavilion area again, see if I can find some more stuff there. It's a beautiful day in southeast Texas, around 70 degrees, sun shines out. It was freezing last night. Sure changes quick around here. There's the other part of the park that I've hunted before, and I've had videos on it, and that's the rodeo arena. And I still need to work that to see if there are any rings or jewelry, whatever, that may have fallen off the hands or around the neck of people riding those horses. They barrel race out here, so you can see the barrels right there, and a lot of action barrel racing, so losing jewelry is a possibility. Today I'm going to work the soccer fields. This is an encouraging find. This is a quarter, and it's been in the ground a very long time. I've rubbed off a lot of the dirt and grime trying to read the date. And I think it's 1967. Well, it was a bottle cap. Put that next to my quarter. It was right there. It was on top. Quarter. Hear that? Solid. And even from the size of it, it really feels like a quarter, and it's pretty close. Look at there. I think it's on the surface. We'll pop it out. Well, look, it wasn't a quarter after all. It was something with some junk. But it sure did sound like a quarter. Well, today Haley and I are going to hunt a different part. The last time I treasure hunted this part was 30 years ago, and it always gave up a bunch of coins. We'll see how good it is today. I'm going to put the finds that I make today with the few things that I found at that park. Throw that footage in with this hunt too. Maybe it'll give me good luck putting a little change in my pocket before I start. In less than a minute, I found my first coin of the day. It's a penny. It's been in the ground a long time. That's encouraging. That's the second quarter I found right here. Already put the other one in my pocket. There it is, down in there somewhere. Alright. Hi, Haley. Having fun? That signal turned out to be a dog tag. Look. Look, right there. Okay, we're going to dig right there. Come here. Okay. See that right there? Come here. I need your help. Let's dig right here, okay? There's a quarter right here, I think. Look. There it is. Look. It's a quarter. See? How about that? You helped. Thanks, Hale. Treasure dog. Deluxe. Good girl. Yeah. Great. You're the best treasure dog. Yeah. Alright, let's put it in the pouch. Look here. Come here. Let's put it in. Alright, we're going to put it in the pouch. Well, I know. There we go. Thanks, Haley. Couldn't have done it without you, girl. Finding coins that appear to have been buried for quite a long time. This is about the third quarter from the, it's over 30 years. This is a 1965 quarter. I'm not sure what this is. It's some kind of token. Huh. It's a Texas lottery token. Never seen one. You need to... Alright, move over, look. Move back. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can find that quarter again. There, look, Haley, it's right there. Okay, hear it? Alright, now come here. Stick it up. Oh, I feel it right now. Come here, Haley, come here. Look, there's a quarter right there. Okay, I'm gonna get it, alright? I may need your help. Hang on. Well, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, this is funny. Alright. I think we got it right now. Okay, hang on. Just a minute. You see it? Where is it? Where's the quarter? Okay, I think we're getting closer. I think we're getting closer. Come here, Haley. Haley, come here. I found it. Look, this is crazy. That's another it's a 1965 quarter, Haley. We found two 1965 quarters. You're supposed to be interested. Okay. I think she wants to go home. That's solid right there. Pretty solid. Feel it. Yeah, there it is. A quarter. I believe that's another quarter right there. So I'll pop it out. A little harder than the other one. Yeah, I might have missed it. Well, there's something there. Dig some more. Well, that's big, whatever it is. I don't think we got us any money here. There's a big rock right there, so it's making it a little bit difficult. So. Wow, let's see. Well, I'm gonna have to If I'm gonna find out what that is, I'm gonna have to get this rock out of the way right here. So I'm turning the camera off. I don't know what it's a long piece of metal. I'm not gonna fool with it because that could be a flat type conduit from some electrical wire. Cover this hole up. I'm not sure I'm gonna come back to this part. All that area out there is there's all kinds of shale and limestone rocks. You dig down about 3 inches and you know it's just impossible. I found some surface stuff, but man, it's hard work. Haley, you bet. What happened? Drank too much water? Alright, Haley's ready to go home. She's had enough. These are the finds from the little park hunt the other day over in Friendswood. Got some junk here. Little cart, doesn't have wheels. Got a couple of dimes and some pennies and a few quarters. And today I got some pennies, some dimes, and even more quarters. So that's okay. I also found this lottery token, and I remember what this is. It's real lightweight, even though it sounds like a quarter, it's junk. And what they use it for is to scratch the tickets. You all right, Haley? Dang. And we got this dog tag, and looks like a valve cover for a valve cap cover for a bicycle or something. I was tired. I can't even talk. That was tough work out there. I don't really want to do this again. I'm gonna find somewhere else to go. Dang. Say bye, Haley. Yeah.